Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install the PlayStation app on your PC in 2025. Now, here's the thing, there's currently no official PC version of the PlayStation app. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround that works perfectly. Head over to the Up2Down website. Search for PlayStation app to get started. Now, select the official PlayStation app. Scroll down and click on Get the latest version. Scroll down until you see the green download button. Click on it to download the APK setup for PlayStation app. Head over to the Microsoft Store and search for the tool known as APK File Installer for Windows. APK File Installer for Windows lets you seamlessly install Android apps and games on your PC. With an easy-to-follow setup, the app handles everything from installing WSA and connecting ADB to running your favorite Android apps on a larger screen with better performance. The app starts with a free trial, allowing users to install any supported Android installer file once. After the trial, upgrading to the premium version unlocks unlimited access. You can also use App Installer Mobile WinUI 3. With this, you can directly double-click the APK file to install the app. You might need to install WSA first. Once you have WSA installed, this app works great for installing most types of APK files. You can use any APK installer to install the APK file of PlayStation to download it in your PC. And that's it. You now have the PlayStation app running on your PC. If this video helped you out, feel free to give it a like and consider subscribing as well. Press the notification button for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a great day.